Toyota 43 pick and get code and cut by 2m2tank key cutting machine. Insert it to the lock. It's a door lock. Only have 8 wafers. Find wafers if it's spongy. Test every wafer. 7th, 9th, the other side. 6th, 8th, 10th. We found all wafers position. And then keep pushing tension bar. We need to pick the lock. Touch the 3rd position that's not spongy. Click the 3rd position. Go on touching next one. Click the 5th. Also click the 7th if not spongy. If touch that's spongy, go for another one. One more time. Go on clicking. Pay attention to your left hand cooperation. One more time. Look for the wafers that's not spongy and pick it. The 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, pick it. And the next step, we decode the beating by Lishi 2. Let me put the right view. The 3rd position is 3. The 4th position is 2. The 5th position is 3. 2. It's also 2. The cut is 3. The 9th is 1. The 10th is 2. Let's input the code into the machine. Select cut by beating. Input TOY43 on searching bar. 02 is key blank. Click the option. Install the key blank on the machine according to the guiding picture. Use this one to fix the flag key. Click OK. Continue. It's a lock for door. We have to input from the 3rd position. Input the number of every wafer into the machine. The first 2 wafers are used for ignition lock. Input double 1 is OK. And cut. Continue. Clean the particles after finish. Remove the key from the clamp. Try to turn on it. Nice cutting.